I don't have a spare minute in the day. How will I fit it in? I know from running your own property that with time is very, very precious. Most of the members commit to just 2 hours a week to start with. And I'm telling you now, it's really, really difficult to try and figure out how you can do all of this and turn in live and 3 or 4 hours or 5 hours a week. But if you break it down into short, manageable videos like I have done, 15 to 30 minutes here and there, allowing yourself an hour to get the work done. And if you can learn how to structure your calendar, then you will become better for it. At the end of the day, if you have got 30 minutes or 45 minutes to watch a Netflix video or a movie or the latest episodes of Game of Thrones, you've got time to do this. At the end of the day, can you afford not to do this with the time, the precious time that you have? I will make sure that when you're taking part in this training videos, that every single minute and hour that you spend doing this, it will be time well spent.